everyone! Today, we'll practice 20 words from the Oxford 5000 with example sentences. Just listen and repeat after me. Tend. Tend. To regularly behave in a particular way. To regularly behave in a particular way. She tend to wake up early every morning. She tend to wake up early every morning. People often tend to eat more when they are stressed. People often tend to eat more when they are stressed. Beat. Beat. A steady rhythm or sound. A steady rhythm or sound. The drummer kept a strong beat during the song. The drummer kept a strong beat during the song. I could feel my heartbeat getting faster as I ran. I could feel my heartbeat getting faster as I ran. Shy. Shy. Nervous or uncomfortable with people. Nervous or uncomfortable with people. The little boy felt shy on his first day at school. The little boy felt shy on his first day at school. She is too shy to speak in front of a big group. She is too shy to speak in front of a big group. Musical. Musical. A play or movie that uses songs and music. A play or movie that uses songs and music. We watched a musical about a famous singer. We watched a musical about a famous singer. My sister wants to act in a Broadway musical. My sister wants to act in a Broadway musical. Empty. Empty. To remove all the contents. To remove all the contents. Please empty the trash can before it gets full. Please empty the trash can before it gets full. He emptied his backpack on the desk to find his notebook. He emptied his backpack on the desk to find his notebook. Preserve. Preserve. To protect something so it stays the same. To protect something so it stays the same. We must preserve the forest for future generations. We must preserve the forest for future generations. She wants to preserve old family photos. She wants to preserve old family photos. Mystery. Mystery. Something difficult to explain or understand. Something difficult to explain or understand. The story is full of mystery and secrets. The story is full of mystery and secrets. It remains a mystery who stole the painting. It remains a mystery who stole the painting. Relieved. Relieved. Feeling relaxed after stress or worry. Feeling relaxed after stress or worry. She felt relieved when the test was finally over. She felt relieved when the test was finally over. He was relieved to hear that his friend was safe. He was relieved to hear that his friend was safe. Dramatically. Dramatically. In a sudden or very noticeable way. In a sudden or very noticeable way. The weather changed dramatically overnight. The weather changed dramatically overnight. Her acting improved dramatically after practice. Her acting improved dramatically after practice. Shoot. Shoot. To fire a gun or take a picture/film. To fire a gun or take a picture/film. The director will shoot the movie in New York. The director will shoot the movie in New York. He learned how to shoot arrows with a bow. He learned how to shoot arrows with a bow. Conservative. Conservative. Preferring traditional styles or cautious behavior. Preferring traditional styles or cautious behavior. He wore a conservative suit to the interview. He wore a conservative suit to the interview. She made a conservative guess about the cost. She made a conservative guess about the cost. Pitch. Pitch. The level of a sound or a presentation. To sell an idea. The level of a sound or a presentation. To sell an idea. The singer reached a very high pitch. The singer reached a very high pitch. She gave a strong sales pitch to the investors. She gave a strong sales pitch to the investors. Acknowledge. Acknowledge. To accept or admit something is true. To accept or admit something is true. He refused to acknowledge his mistake. He refused to acknowledge his mistake. She smiled to acknowledge my greeting. She smiled to acknowledge my greeting. Mess. Mess. A dirty or untidy state. A dirty or untidy state. The kids left a mess in the living room. The kids left a mess in the living room. My desk is such a mess right now. My desk is such a mess right now. Drag. Drag. To pull something with effort. To pull something with effort. She had to drag the heavy box across the floor. She had to drag the heavy box across the floor. He didn't want to go, so his friends had to drag him along. He didn't want to go, so his friends had to drag him along. Assistance. Assistance. Help or support. Help or support. The teacher offered assistance with the homework. The teacher offered assistance with the homework. We need your assistance to complete this project. We need your assistance to complete this project. Submit. Submit. To hand in something for review. To hand in something for review. Please submit your application by Friday. Please submit your application by Friday. Students must submit their essays online. Students must submit their essays online. Entertainment. Entertainment. Activities that provide fun or enjoyment. Activities that provide fun or enjoyment. The concert was great entertainment for the whole family. The concert was great entertainment for the whole family. TV is a common form of entertainment. TV is a common form of entertainment. Permanent. Permanent. Lasting or continuing forever. Lasting or continuing forever. She got a permanent job after graduation. She got a permanent job after graduation. The tattoo is permanent, so think carefully. The tattoo is permanent, so think carefully. Summary. Summary. A short statement of the main points. A short statement of the main points. He wrote a brief summary of the article. He wrote a brief summary of the article. The teacher asked for a summary of the story. The teacher asked for a summary of the story. That's it for today. I'll cover the Oxford 5000 from beginner to advanced, so don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.